What's up? This is G with All Astrology, and I am going to do a quick little burst of info. Every blue moon I kind of get this little creative urge to go out on my own and just bring information to whoever wants to hear. And at this time, we are in this awesome fiery period, hence, right? We all have this in our chart, okay? So for people who have been with this channel, this is All Astrology. We have been focusing a lot lately on doing free readings for people. We're trying to get to our 100 subscribers. So if you are new, go down below, hit that red button, subscribe, and also do yourself a favor and tap on that bell so that you get our updates. Hence, one of these untimed, no notice type of things that I'm just going to drop some vital, important info for people. So right now we're in Leo time. Leo time is all about fire, all about self, all about being creative. It's a fiery force. It's people, we talk about it in a way where it's got this divine element to it because it's the sun. Without the sun, there'd be no life, right? S-U-N. Without the sun, there'd be no life. Yes, I understand the biblical connotations, S-O-N. Anyway, you connect the dots and figure that out for yourself. That's another video, another time, and that's for this A to handle. That's her area. So for this video, it's all about this sweet setup we have coming, okay? August 11th, people. I've been notifying other people because I feel people's oh my God, hold on a second. I'm having a computer, need to update. No, you don't right now. Anyway, so what I want to do is give you the heads up of August. Really, it's August 12th when we have this we're moving forward and we have the benefit. We have a fiery benefit. It's called Jupiter and the sun and Venus and just a lot of beautiful things. So if you're an astrology person and if you have your chart, if you don't have your chart, go down below and contact us. We can get your chart to you. We subscribe that to all our, or we supply that to all our subscribers. Free chart, free reading, one time, okay? Find 15 degrees in your chart. Okay, I'm seeing a lot of charts where we have a lot of people, well, like I'm looking at a chart right here, 1437, right? That's close enough. That's almost 15, right? This person's chart has a lot of prominent stuff happening at that 15 degree mark, which means when Jupiter goes direct, this person is going to have a certain amount of help where things are going to, like the right people are going to be at the right place at the right time for this individual. And we all have this somewhere in our chart. Others, depending upon the natal setup in your chart, you have either always had this kind of help in these areas in your life and you're going to get more of it, or for some of us who don't have prominent fire, you're going to have this sweet setup. Now, it might not be, it just depends on other things in your chart. So if you are interested and you want me to take a look at it, you want us, A&G All Astrology, to take a peek at your chart and give you some more info, take a deep dive, we can do that for you. We offer super, super affordable extended readings for people who've gotten free readings from us. We've had a lot of people who just jump right past the free reading and say, I want an extended reading, or I want to go a little bit deeper, and they spend a little bit more money. Either way, for the quality and the content that we give you, you are getting triple what you would get from anybody else. This is not to sit there and try to sell our services, but hell, there's 4 eyes instead of 2. And between her brain power. Well, anyway, so this time is vital. It's a vital creative time. Now, I want everyone to remember, this is one of the reasons why I wanted to put this video out right now. Keep in mind the creative force is the sexual force. Okay, think about that. Think about that. You get to choose what you create. Don't wait to be in the throes of passion and let it override you, literally, and all of a sudden you're doing something and, well, you got a product, because this is a very creative time. So this is a time for people to really slow things down and really think it through. Is that what I want? There's a lot of women who want babies right now. There's a lot of families who've been trying to have children. This is a very creative time, okay? I want you to think about the endeavors, okay, and the outcome, and what is it that your end goal is, okay? And we all have different goals. One of the things that are going to help is using your new moon intention. Your new moon intention, we just had a new moon. I don't want you to put your thoughts down on paper or to speak them until the 4th, okay, until August 4th. August 4th is a little bit better. It's a little bit time for the new moon to start to actually grow, okay? A new moon is black. There's no light in it. You want to wait for the moon to actually start growing till you actually start to see till it gets some slivers, right? So you still starts to wax and goes, just like when they tell the farmers, you never want to plant on a full moon, right? Because that's an ending. It's a closure. That's when the light is after that full moon, the light, there is no light, right? So, well, I'm sorry. The light is getting smaller. It's getting shorter. It's doing the waning thing. So this is the same idea. We're going to use the reverse. We're going to use I want to plant when it's, you want to put the seed in the ground, but you also want to do it when you know you're going to be able to water it and when it's also going to get sunshine, when it's going to get the attention and when it's going to get the things that it needs to grow. Okay. So this is the same idea. Wait till about the 4th of August. Okay. And write your intentions down. And then I want you to speak these intentions into the universe. And that's not all I want you to do. Usually we say, I want you to write them down. I want you to speak them. People, I want you to feel them. Okay? I want you to sit there and to visualize that you want, that whatever your focus is, whatever your goals are, I want you to focus on it. I want you to see it. I want you to feel it. I want you to go through it. I want you to go through it in your mind, feel it in your heart, the actions, feel the manifesting of it, the giving and the receiving. Feel, see, understand, have a sense of smell, of touch, how it feels, of how it feels to see it in it becoming a product, see it, others receiving it, others benefiting from it. Okay? I want you to really feel it. Okay, it is your intention. It is your thought. It is your emotions. I want you to remember this. Emotions are energy. Your emotion is energy. So when you take that which you desire, okay, and you have your thought there, and then you speak it, and you have this emotion behind it. Emotions are energy, okay? That is what creates. That is the soil. That is the water. That is the sunlight. Okay? That is everything that your creation needs to bloom. So look in your chart. Okay? Go to your chart at 15 degrees. You have a window that you're going to be working with. Basically, it varies for some people in their charts because of the prior setups that they have. I got so emotional, like my throat's completely constricted. I can't even talk now. So what I want you to do is look for that, okay? 15 degrees in your chart. 15 degrees. I'm sorry. I keep saying 15 degrees. It's 15 degrees in Sag. My brain. 15 degrees in Sag. If you're into astrology, you'll know that that's where Jupiter is going direct. If you're also into astrology, you'll see that 15 degrees of Sag, 15 degrees of Leo, and 15 degrees of Aries, the fire signs, creates a grand fire trine. Some people have points there, meaning house cusp lines. Some people have planets there. So what would that mean? Whoa. That's right. That's what that means. Whoa. That means the potentiality is that much even more. The ability and to really manifest big in big ways. Okay, instead of just little itty bitty ways, but really big ways. So if you need help having me take a look at that for you to figure that out, not a problem. We are so affordable. I cannot stress how affordable we are. And I also want to say, we don't know how long we'll be able to stay at the affordable because the more we do these videos, we're getting a greater demand. But our goal ultimately is to reach as many people as possible. So again, just letting you know, we don't know how long we'll be able to be as affordable as we are, and that's the truth. But we're always trying to make sure that it's definitely something that everybody can have access to, because that's very important to us. With that said, I'm now ending this. I've already gone on, hit my 10-minute mark. I'm right on the button. I don't like to go beyond. So please, do yourself a favor, subscribe to the channel, reach out to us. We're now on Facebook finally, and you can reach out to us there. Oh, God, I can't remember our name. But anyhow, you just look us up, ANG, All Astrology. You'll find us, like us, and we'll start up a communication, a chat, and, you know, all the good stuff. So until then, look up that spot on your chart. Start manifesting wonderful, beautiful things in your life. This is a time of abundance and beauty. Take advantage of it. Bye.